The knots at time forgot the timber hitch, and in this case, tied in a timber line configuration for a ridge line. I love using this hitch for all kinds of things, but it seems like it's gone out of fashion. Super simple. I don't even think it's a knot, really. I guess it's a knot, but it's so simple, it doesn't feel like you're tying a knot. Let's check it out. You're watching BlindGuy Urban Bushcraft, and we are going to tie the simplest hitch that was ever invented. The timber hitch is so simple, it doesn't feel like tying a knot. So we're gonna do that together, and then you can decide if you're gonna use it. Hardest part is coming around the tree, leave yourself about 30 to 40 centimeters, so maybe 12 to 14 inches. Gonna come around here, take this working end, go around the standing end of the rope, and just rotate that once, and you get one loop. Okay, now it's okay if there's slack here. We're going to tighten that up. 2 loops. You could be done, but I like more secure, don't you? And I think of it like my hand with 4 fingers. I'm going to give 4 wraps, 3, 4, and this is still way less rope than doing something like a clove hitch. Although there are lots of ways to do an efficient rope hitch for your guy line. I like this one, and I can do it with gloves on. So just tightening that down, and then once I'm nice and tight, that's not going anywhere. Now the problem though is when we get some slack on here, so if we didn't tie this other end of the line into a trucker's hitch or something else, if it does get slack, it really doesn't take much just to undo that. The pro is the con. It's so simple to do, but easy to come undone. If you're worried about it coming undone, I'm pulling the rope instead of under and over and then under, because when I wrap, I want gravity to keep this line down. And I'm not really worried about it. So there you go. You could actually tie an extra half hitch once you get close to cinching it down. If you wanted, just get your finger under there, pop a loop in here, and pull that out. And if that tightens up, I mean, it's more secure, this isn't going anywhere. That could be hard to get undone. I'm just going to take a loop, I'm going to bend it over top of that line and push it underneath here. Pull the loop through. That might be hard to see. You're basically making a little slip tear away. And I like, when I'm tearing down my hammock, usually I'm out with a bunch of kids. It's been a long weekend, haven't slept, pretty tired. I want to just take it apart and I'm gone. This might be the hitch for you if you're tying a guy line or lashing. Super simple. Thanks for watching. This is BlindGuy Urban Bushcraft. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Tell all your friends, and most importantly, get outside and make your own videos. And hey, with the knot stuff, why not get a piece of rope and tie some knots?